You're now tuned in to radiodr.co.za.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Minnie Thusi, and you are tuned into radiodr.co.za. What's up, everybody? It is that time again. I know that you missed me because we didn't have a show last week, but we are back and better than ever. And I believe we on our 8th show, unfortunately.
Why didn't we have a show last week?
Because I'm sick. I'm done because you decided
It
to
wasn't
pass
my
on the
fault.
flu.
It wasn't my
onto
fault.
me.
Your immune system sucks.
Excuse me.
Exactly.
No,
Carry
wait.
on with the show.
No, wait. I need to say something. This is the first time I'm having flu this year. So do not.
It's the first time your immune system sucked.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I was actually and I was just
So it
like
wasn't
out
my
here
fault.
flexing. It is your fault.
Exactly.
Because
But I don't control your immune system.
I can't
You
deal
must
with
eat
you.
better, have orange juice.
that's what I always do though. I have like a whole lot of oranges.
Not McDonald's orange juice. That shit's bad. Shout out McDonald's for the double chili cheese though. It's bad and good for you.
Wow, it's a sponsor. Anyway, this is Monday Mayhem with your girl Minnie Thusi, and we are about to rock the show. And we have a very, I don't know what to say, but we've got a very interesting playlist. We've got a bit of house in the playlist, so I am looking forward to that. And yeah, man. So what we're talking about today is, besides groove, what do you like doing? What is it that keeps you entertained? Because, you know, sometimes we're just tired of groove. We get tired of groove, rather. And we just want to explore new things and stuff. So just let me know what you think. You can always head over to my Twitter, which is MINNIE_2C. Or you can go to Monday Mayhem _ and leave your comment over there. Let's get it.
S-boy, Mola cheesy, pull out again. Talking to myself, cause I'm climbing fat nyajela. Loopy Fabian is step and plus one with the band. Never had the money, make you phone on his way tank. Sasanga sen quante, my look to on his way fan. Talking to myself, cause I'm climbing fat nyajela. Loopy Fabian is step and plus one with the band. Never had the money, make you phone on his way tank. Sasanga sen quante, my look to on his way fan. Chelam shy cheat, Baslam shy cheat. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's sweet boy cake. Yabangena. Yeah, rapping got your nana. Tuzo boss, that's a muscle stem. Tando koagas, kabak and shy kati. Nikang buegas, lonus megak silipati. Mulia chisung petty kati. Sonko dwelling on pushing fast. Chain and shy dance, jungle asha. Umang habib so, ngasem tibang melengashe. More países or masha. I'm in love with the money, boy, quetasha. Puma tu bana can tell by the way that I talk. Puma look shit, can tell by the way that I walk. I show my neck, I show my wrist, think it's soap. Baby go down, show na pants, think it's scope. SOT, bitch, I'm fresh out from the circle. Not bad for Intwana Jonji Choco. Manjing in a stolung film, fender matromolo. Gakulung, Pumu pen to Tonsan Jang's cholo. Talking to myself, cause I'm climbing fat nyajela. Loopy Fabian is step and plus one with the band. Never had the money, make you phone on his way tank. Sasanga sen quante, my look to on his way fan. Talking to myself, cause I'm climbing fat nyajela. Loopy Fabian is step and plus one with the band. Never had the money, make you phone on his way tank. Sasanga sen quante, my look to on his way fan. Chelam shy cheat, Baslam shy cheat. 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 Chelam shy cheat, Baslam shy cheat.
Stimela sekolite. 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 Ubaba wahamba egoli. Akabuyanga. Wayethi ozama impilo. Wayethi oshintsha isimo. Ubaba wahamba egoli. Akabuyanga. Wayethi ozama impilo. Wayethi oshintsha isimo. Stimela sekolite. Stimela sekolite.
lapho sibhekike lona mthibhekana inkap zonke siphelele lana and radio DR
Honey, when you get home, there ain't no talking, there ain't no catching up. We getting straight into the real thing. Let's make love. Honey, when you get home, there ain't no talking, there ain't no catching up. We getting straight into the real thing. Let's make love. You make me feel some kind of way, and I try to fight the feeling. You make me feel some kind of way, and I try to fight the feeling. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Please finish while you started. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Please finish what you started.
I'ma tell you like this, that late night kiss is something that a nigga might miss on them late night trips. Club hopping, late night shifts. Seen love, but I never seen her make like this. Body, but I never seen a shape like this. Party, but I never seen it ape like this. Nah, and we do it too, man. We getting straight up to the real thing. Never need the crew fame. I'm out here chilling with my boo thing. Private party on a Tuesday. Me now we goose. See, I just wanna make your body do things. Girl, you got me sideways. When it's Monday, girl, you make it feel like Friday. Got me thankful for the Lord's grace, my babe. Really shows off the Lord's taste. Holly, she a fire flame, a straight talker who ain't into mind games. I'm thankful she ain't telling me this, she ain't telling me that. She just tell me she want it and I keep bringing it back. Say when I'm on the track, she keeps spitting these facts. Cause I'm the only one that's putting real on the map. Maar I feel what up, she gon' tell me to finish. Come home and handle it fast.
try to fight the feeling. You make me feel some kind of way, and I try to fight the feeling. Imina muntu wako baby, ayikofana nami. Ngiyahle ngikhona duze kwakho ekusukuni. Ngiyamfunga ugogo udlami. My heart is for you, and you are for me. Honey, when you get home, there ain't no talking, there ain't no catching up. We getting straight into the real thing. Let's make love, honey, when you get home. There ain't no talking, there ain't no catching up. We getting straight into the real thing. Let's make love. You make me feel some kind of way, and I try to fight the feeling. You make me feel some kind of way, and I try to fight the feeling. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Please finish while you started. Don't stop, don't stop.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Minnie Thusi, and you are tuned into radiodr.co.za. That was Love Things with Raspy featuring Big Star Johnson. Before that was Stimela Esekolite by Muzi, and before that was Uefelo with Shy Cheese. Actually, I just learned. I just learned what he's actually saying on the song. Apparently, this is what he's saying. So, Uti is Shane like a Shy Cheese, and what else? He wash like it, right? So that means diamonds are dancing. Do you understand? That was like the littlest thing ever. Because I do not understand slang. It takes a while for me to actually understand slang. But I see collabo. Anyway, we are going to carry on with the show right here on Monday Mayhem. And we are talking about what do you find interesting besides groove? I'm still dying. Anyway, like I already think groove, you grow out of it at some point. So for me right now, what I'm finding interesting is watching movies. I really enjoy watching movies, especially I was actually introduced to Marvels, which was something that I never used to watch. I was forced to watch Marvels. I was forced to watch Marvels, and I think I was introduced to Marvels like last year. That's when I watched most of it, but I watched some of it previous years, but I just didn't know what Marvels were because, you know, I wasn't that educated about Marvels and stuff. So I really enjoy like watching movies, and yeah, man, that's the only thing I think I enjoy besides groove. Obviously, besides being also a
do
typical
you even
girl.
still groove?
No, not
So can you say
all.
you enjoy groove if you don't groove anymore?
I mean, I enjoyed groove when I did it.
You don't enjoy it now since you don't do it.
Yes. Yeah, but last day I was fed up with groove.
So what do you enjoy? What do you do after work?
I go home and sleep.
Wow. You're young.
I know, but
Do more.
No. But the thing is, I
Get another job.
Okay, no. I do promos on the side, but the thing is, I think I'll go back to groove once I have like the money, and then I go there once in a blue moon. Ngifuna ukuslaya yonke into, ngislaya ama-buckles, ngislaya i-outfits, ngislaya i-car, ngibe uleyo girl, ngibiza abafana ngithi hlalani la ngizomthengela utshwala. I'm gonna be that girl.
You're gonna be that? Wow.
I'm just joking. I'm not. But I want to be more independent when I go back to groove. But I'm not going to go back to groove right now. Probably like in my early 30s. 30th, I'm going back to groove. That will be my crown birthday.
Wow.
So, nje.
Are you gonna have a crown?
Definitely. And 30 is like, you know, the age. So therefore, I'm going to have a crown birthday. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be hella fun. I can just see it. So a bougie. Oh, good golly.
Oh, make it stop.
But anyway, what do you find night. But you like groove so much. There's nothing.
Who are you talking about?
I'm talking about you.
Oh my gosh, that's a lie.
When? Oh my gosh.
What do you mean?
I feel
When was
like
the last time you saw me
groove
out?
like this.
What does that mean?
You were still.
Minnie just put her two index finger and the middle finger together. I think she meant that me was groove and the middle finger.
Together. Kanji.
No ways.
Kanji.
That's the groove. You know what I like?
Wait. What kind of groove? The time you got the flu, where did you get the flu?
Where did I get the flu?
Where did you get the flu?
I don't know where I got the flu. I got it from the air. Everybody gets the flu.
You got the flu from groove, probably. So
That's a lie. Hey, nobody saw me out.
Wives. But anyway, what do you enjoy besides groove? Like, when do you think you're also going to grow out of groove? Because wow, see the umdala manj.
I've grown out of groove.
You are now? You aren't?
What do I enjoy outside of fucking groove? Damn. I think I enjoy working out, drinking coffee, sleeping, and creating.
Working out.
Yeah, I'm like a
Still
gym.
one of my abs.
Yes, Nalela. I've got the second line now.
Oh no!
And
Stop
I've
it.
got like a 4-pack.
Stop.
December, I'm gonna be walking shirtless to the mall. Lalela, I'm gonna be better than a girl with an ass. We'll be
Wow.
like,
Wow, wow.
What did you say? You wanna put? Oh, I thought you said you wanted to see my chest. Can you want my vest? Well, let's go, BB.
I can't deal. We are going to go straight to the music because I cannot deal with what CeeLo is saying right here in the studio. But anyway, do stay tuned into the show. We will be having great music lined up for you right here on Monday Mayhem. What your girl Minnie Thusi. We are going to see you on the flip side.
All I ever wanted was some more love. Everything I did it for us. I've been feeling lonely on my tour bus. Got me thinking about taking some more drugs. All I ever wanted was some more love. Everything I did it for us. I've been feeling lonely on my tour bus. Got me thinking about taking some more drugs. We were better when nobody knew us. Then you started changing when I blew up. You've been getting loose and I've been screwed up. Sipping Douce while I throw the deuce up. We were better when nobody knew us. Then you started changing when I blew up. You've been getting loose and I've been screwed up. Sipping Douce while I throw the deuce up, yeah.
As a man you were meant to protect me. Why you let these bitches disrespect me? Knowing damn well that would affect me. I let you hit and roll, you could infect me. I thought I told you not to go embarrass me. We even spoke kids, no vasectomy. You said I was your flower, you would cherish me. And all I ever did was get the best of me. You took it for granted, never needed your money. Made you part of my family, I thought you'd keep it 100. I can buy my own things, if I want it, I get it. I just wanted your loyalty, but your ass didn't get it. So I'ma roll one, I'ma smoke one. Call the girls up, have a cold one. Never imagined I'd be chilling on my lonesome. Cause every woman's fear is having no one.
All I ever wanted was some more love. Everything I did it for us. I've been feeling lonely on my tour bus. Got me thinking about taking some more drugs. All I ever wanted was some more love. Everything I did it for us. I've been feeling lonely on my tour bus. Got me thinking about taking some more drugs. We were better when nobody knew us. Then you started changing when I blew up. You've been getting loose and I've been screwed up. Sipping Douce while I throw the deuce up. We were better when nobody knew us. Then you started changing when I blew up. You've been getting loose and I've been screwed up. Sipping Douce while I throw the deuce up, yeah. Looking back, I thought that I could trust you. Yeah, many late nights with no curfew. Yeah, all these cigarettes that I burnt through. Yeah, fast forward, look at what we turned to. Yeah, looking back, I thought that I could trust you. Yeah, many late nights with no curfew. Yeah, all these cigarettes that I burned through. Fast forward, look at what we turned to. Yeah.
Do you know my name? Every time I hear you say it, never sounds the same. I become a cynic, yeah, like every other day. I don't wanna feel it, but this love is gonna wait. Fuck that. Have you ever seen me stressed? I'm fucking mad. I ain't never been a mess, I'm fucking sad. Yeah, you know that I'm the best you ever had. Now a cynic, I don't think I'm coming back. Wow, wow. So I'ma roll one, I'ma smoke one. Call the girls up, have a cold one. Never imagined I'd be chilling on my lonesome. Cause every woman's fear is having no one. Ay.
All I ever wanted was some more love. Everything I did it for us. I've been feeling lonely on my tour bus. Got me thinking about taking some more drugs. All I ever wanted was some more love. Everything I did it for us. I've been feeling lonely on my tour bus. Got me thinking about taking some more drugs. We were better when nobody knew us. Then you started changing when I blew up. You've been getting loose and I've been screwed up. Sipping Douce while I throw the deuce up. We were better when nobody knew us. Then you started changing when I blew up. You've been getting loose and I've been screwed up. Sipping Douce while I throw the deuce up, yeah.
You're now tuned in to radiovr.co.za.
ngizwe ngawo. Last week bekuwe, namanje sawu. We know it, on we boogie. Hey, 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 hey. Ah, baby. I'm going for Nella, man. Kanti. Yeah, we know it. Shuka kalupi zumalumu bizumamako. Yeah, we tole. Yeah, we tole. Ishunga kalubi zumalumu bizumamako. Yegwithole, yegwithole. Ishunga kalubi zumalumu bizumamako. Yegwithole, yegwithole. Ishunga kalubi zumalumu bizumamako. Yegwithole, yegwithole.
Bizumamaki ngeke ithole ngeke ithole ngisho ngakhala bizumaluma bizumamaki ngeke ithole ngeke ithole ngisho ngakhala bizumaluma bizumamaki ngeke ithole ngeke ithole ngisho ngakhala bizumaluma bizumamaki ngeke ithole ngeke ithole.
Shit, come on now, shit. Get so tough, let get so tough. I get so tough. I get so tough. I get so tough. Mfungu baba, mfungu mando, mfungu mama. I get so tough. Kuse kodi la get so tough. Mfungu mando, mfungu mama, mfungu baba. I give me the gisaito. Hey man gisaito. Say good. I let them say good. Sfula yongito. Spetsa mashako. Safula. I give me the gisaito. Hey gisaito. Yashala way. Yashala lona malu. Shis. Hey gisaito. I get the gisaito. Come on now, gisaito. I get the gisaito. Hey ba.
Ngeke uyithole budini kodwa isicefe. Kambile inhlobo zasegoli. Kambe kuthiwani abudi akibaki. Ishanga khala bizumaluma bizumamaki ngeke ithole ngeke ithole Ishanga khala bizumaluma bizumamaki ngeke ithole ngeke ithole Ishanga khala bizumaluma bizumamaki ngeke ithole ngeke ithole Ishanga khala bizumaluma bizumamaki ngeke ithole ngeke ithole
And just like that, we head over to our triple threat. And our triple threat today is Nadia Nakai, a lady that is a Nicki Minaj lookalike. That's how I remember her. She's a very pretty lady, and she's been doing well for herself, Shame. She just released an album called Naked. I really, really, really like the cover art of that album. And yeah, man, so Nadia Nakai made her first television appearance on ETV hip-hop show She's Niz, where she won the Mixtape 101 competition, making her the first female to win the competition. She then rose to prominence in September 2013 when she released her debut single, Like Me. On the following year, she was featured on the remix of Ricky Rick's song Amantombazane featuring various artists. As for 2015, Nadia released her third single, Sakawena, featuring rapper Ice Prince, following her second single, Whatever, featuring .com and Cypher. Oh my gosh, Cypher, if you used to watch Yo TV, you'd know who Cypher is. So on August 2016, Nadia pre-released her single, The Man, featuring Ukespa Nyovest, for her upcoming EP, Braga. Braga was released on September 15, 2016 and November 2017. 2016 and in November 2017, Nadia released her critically acclaimed single, Namin, featuring Casper Nyovest. The song topped charts in several radio stations in South Africa. On the 4th of November 2016, she hosted the Red Star Carpet special for MTV Africa at the 2018 MTV Europe Awards. And she just released her album called Naked. And it's an interesting album, actually. The one song that is really playing like a whole lot on radio stations and everywhere else is Yes, Bitch, Yes. I think it's quite a catchy chorus. And the girl is doing quite well for herself. She's one of the few female artists that are actually doing something in the industry, because, I could say a lot, because, wow, I want to say, where's Gigi Lamaine? What's her name? Rouge. Oh, Rouge is now becoming like a makeup girl, and she's forgetting Uguti. She came as a rapper. So we don't understand. So shout out to Nadia actually for doing the things that need to be done. Where's Nomuzi? Nomuzi actually also released a song recently. But they're not working as hard as Nadia. I have to give that to Nadia Nakai. She's actually doing something. And Boyti came in. Actually, why am I talking about other artists? We are going to play 3 songs of Nadia Nakai, and those songs are Amantombazane and Don Dada and Yes, Bitch, Yes. That's our triple threat for today. Enjoy.
Hey, yo. I think we should put the turn up on hold. I say, put the turn up on hold. It's the remix. It's your boy DJ Dimples. Bring the rap game back. Bring the rap game back. I got it made up. Killer.
Chicks in a mixin', kulinate puzo, thick in a vixen, ungifake lo mfutho, athi kimi magi, please ngenza ulavi, funa ukukuskima, zwila amabhari, ngathi you okay love, ngena kule trance, wathi you okay mugs, jo, awumosha isikhathi, you okay so we move, watshela bo wa choose, yeah I'll see you tomorrow girls, ngihamba nalo dude, bathi hayi, why you hamba naye, why thina ushiya, nathi sifuna ukuskima ama nigga, wathi bye, hayi ngiyolala naye, and ukuthi nithini vela nginandaba lo bhuti umchaza blind. She knows how I keep it on in these streets, 100 degrees every time I speak and the beat is on. So for the weekend long, she's knee deep in between sheets. Now she wanna tweet how the penis strong.
Amantombazane bahlobo khansele bana babone kya batlatsa makopa number tsauki 1+1 are ditlhakanse fast ka dibal. God damn it, I'm hot pella, I'm in my prime. Ever since I got my street credit, I stopped debiting. Pass up, baby, I'm top 5, dead or alive. Skatlo Koma Kozo Jola Lele top 7. Got a side bitch who's hot-headed. She give me dome just to blow steam. She keep me close just to show these are the mommies and Ojola Lim rapper who be getting shows in his own TV. And she don't need sleep like she motif. I mean, she's on this deep, she don't quit. And me, I beat that thing on repeat. Got a backstage pass to that ass. You got nosebleed seats.
Yo, take a pic, Ricky Rick. Boss ya my swag, boss ya my Mac. Boss like I'm pushing a jack. Boss on, get boss non, get ride with the kid. Who you know done took a break and came alive like I did. Yeah, I tell these honeys don't tweak, just creep quick. Split up and run like all week. Boys and bucks, then my chips the whole week. Got Bizzle X to show them there's no beef.
Filipino, foreign mommy, Filipino, still illegal, no papers. Who got clue left, Lalizazo, Siggy Pig, forget gas, shit you see, Mongo put my listen, Shai Tupac, Shisi Mino, Langi Super, Scouts and Cougars in casinos, designer suits, got chips and C notes, feeling like Fali Boop, I kiss my ego. Too many girls, not enough rappers, not enough rappers, too many girls I could chew when you're not a man of too many words. Chilex, Ababa, Tintonic Tung, early first, middle of the winter, I'm talking June 31st. See, being a bookworm taught me to groom early birds. I'm a dumb bazan, and they usually turn late on and I still gotta go through puberty first. I'll got caught.
Bega, city sec, figi zinja za kor, ni zinja za pop, les shibizi figi, figi say porn. Ita manyor, riski mes fites chimong god, we are speed, we are zizu, sisu pizu, kikazi god, la pinching and board, rufisa no flow, mufisa ngatisimo, beshinchila figures of bond. The since is chili, lugu machine, utipa ngakona, but fishy season, you're fishing, I see sagas bone, fuck, I'm amazing. He poised I says Zuluini, about to cuff me an angel. Figured I blaze and navigate straight to the chamber. Strap on the safety I saved for this case of occasion. Cut to the chase and wake up excited. Baby, still got a sex fix. Got it again, then bacon and eggs came. All this before I gained fame. Nothing I can't say, but I'm ton double check, man.
I'm on Dombazan. Want a bad bitch, but you got no money. Oh shit. I'm on Dombazan. Want a rich nigga, but why you so bummed?
Pencil skirt on just to draw up some attention. Couple thirsty birdies on my Twitter, should I mention? Baddest chick in my mirror, that's looking my reflection. All my exes want the box, like it's the election. Whoa, little nigga, Vacha Biggie, I'm the real keeper. Plus I'm thicker than Minnie Thusi. My booty got him tweeting from Ipsugu to Emini. Put me in the Mary Claire, a lot of matter a minute. He gave me that good, woke up in my Boise. Middle finger to my exes, not mentioning Boise. Claim he had that good word, nigga must not know me. Till he start choking like he puffing on that OG.
Cha. Super sign yomva, I'm rolling with the poison. Shy slow poison. We never at the VIPs, I'm my bond. Watch the whole game, SABC4. Mistake me for a lame, was a look build down. On my lume ballet game, sick handle notes. Bitches wanna blow me, see by shacking dung. Fast sex, latex, from a game of phone checks, latex and callbacks. Take you through the process. Give me the UT shed. Mind you, flowing like a river. The flow, I swear you need 2 phones. You need about 20 kicks. You need a couple watches. Then you get the hoopty. Sishaya, I'm a movie. Smart bombard.
Put the turn up at home. DJ Double Center.
This shit for the bad girl. Easy.
Boy, you fucking with a girl named Braga. I'm a bad girl, me a top shotter. Put it down, baby, give it to me harder. Me no fear, you're real dandada. I know, I know. I know, I know. I know, I know. I know, I know.
Girl, you fucking with a real dandada. I'm a bad man, me a top shotter. Have no fear, baby, give it to me harder. That's a bad man, scuba dive under. I know, I know. Tell me I know, I know. I know, I know. Tell me I know, I know. The type of girl I like to smoke my trees up with. The type of girl I like to have a threesome with. Lady in the street spot a freaking a bit. Confessing all I sins like I'm a priest in a church. Tell me, do you like that pain and pleasure? With a let a bad man enter. Let me do you a favor. Let me give you that rude boy flavor. Rumor says that you extra tight. I need room for my extra size. With your body, let me exercise. Got you cool as ice.
So you fucking with a girl named Braga. I'm a bad girl, me a top shotter. Put it down, baby, give it to me harder. Me no fear, you're real dandada. I know, I know. I know, I know. I know, I know. I know, I know.
Girl, you fucking with a real dandada. I'm a bad bad man, me a top shotter. Have no fear, baby, give it to me harder. That's a bad man, scuba dive under. I know. Tell me I know. Tell me I know.
Rumor say you that boy with a big thing. Me that girl with that tightest hole you ever seen. Squeeze it in, so tight like a wedding ring. Ever been on a ride with a rap queen? Big boy, me like a big body benzo. Bad bitch and a main chick in a bendo. Body weight and you stepped out the friend zone. Body and dick and you know just how to handle. Dirty, why me? I don't play fair. Get over here, let me sit on your face. Neighbors go here, but you know me no care. It no matter, we can mess up the place. I remember when we met and we began dating. Chilling with the boy was an everyday thing. Day after day, we be doing the same thing. Sexually, scientifically. Boy, fucking with a girl named Braga. I'm a bad girl, me a top shotter. Put it down, baby, give it to me harder. Me no fear, you're real dandada. I know.
Girl, you fucking with a real dandada. I'm a bad man, me a top shotter. Have no fear, baby, give it to me harder. That's a bad man, scuba dive under. I know. Tell me I know. Tell me I know. Hey girl, why you playing games like chess? Me a wonder pump, see on my face. Real bad but hot mess. Are you like a top shotter with a big toys? You should know you fucking with the big boys, but you never find another equal. Your boyfriend, that boy a decoy. Be easy, we go keep it simple.
Boy, you fucking with a girl named Braga. I'm a bad girl, me a top shotter. Put it down, baby, give it to me harder. Me no fear, you're real dandada. I know.
Girl, you fucking with a real dandada. I'm a bad man, me a top shotter. Have no fear, baby, give it to me harder. That's a bad man, scuba dive under. I know. Tell me I know. Tell me I know. Easy. This year for the bad girls, man. Easy. Top shotter, bad man.
Sibhekile lona mthibhekana inkap zonke siphelele lana and radio DR.
Yo, I'm just trying to get my paper, honey. I'd rather be crying in a Ferrari than dealing with a broke nigga, you know? Like, I just want to get my nails did. I just want a 32-inch weave, babes. I want my money, nigga, yeah.
Drop the booty down, bring it back around. Gotta let them know who the baddest hoe in town. Booty poppin' wild, put it underground. Gotta let them drown, stuntin' on them with the gang.
Niggas tryna fuck me every day. If he handsome, I end up sitting on his face. Send him ass pictures, now he tryna penetrate. This for all my bad bitches making money, getting paid. Yes, bitch, yes. Yes, bitch, yes. Get the cash, bitch, yes. Cut the chat, chit chat. Big checks, I'm living lavish. Yes, you bitches is living average. Yeah.
Drop the booty down, bring it back around. Gotta let them know who the baddest hoe in town. Booty poppin' wild, put it underground. Gotta let them drown, stuntin' on them with the gang. Yes, bitch,
bitch, you dress trash, think you need my look book. My ass fat, make your nigga look. What you mad at? Oh, I got y'all shook. I'm a bad, but I got that good, yeah. Only rich niggas get a pounded. All you broke niggas never see this. Pussy so wet that he drowning. I'm your dream girl. If we fucking, then you dream it. Wet. If you can't swim, nigga, leave it. Ginda, nigga, this pussy make you seasick. He see me, he see food, let him eat it. I am nasty, but my image is misleading. I give you that bar. nigga. Tell me what you want, nigga. Bitches acting wrong, nigga. I can make more songs, but just close your eyes and picture me recording in a thong, nigga. And we don't have to take long if it's long, nigga. Drop the booty down, bring it back around. Gotta let them know who the baddest hoe in town. Booty poppin' wild, put it underground. Gotta let them drown, stuntin' on them with the gun. Yes, 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 bitch, yes, yes, bitch, yes, 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 bitch, yes, yes, bitch, yes.
Get your nails done, honey. Then stress, guys. Like, can we just get our money right? These niggas ain't trying to love us, we ain't trying to love them. Might as well get some nice shit. I got Louis Vuitton and I got red bottom heels. What you gonna do? No basics on, no basics.
And that was our triple threat by Nadia Nakai. And right about now, we are going to head over to our celebrity news and the Twitter village. This is like my favorite, one of my favorite parts of the show because
you get to gossip.
No, it's not gossip. Like, these are things that just keep me laughing, and you know, it's nice to see what people are doing on Twitter and what people are having going on in their lives because, wow, some people go through the most. But anyway, so our first story is that Corey Coco, how do you pronounce her surname?
Corey what? Corey what? Who?
Corey Coco Koof. That tennis girl. That
Yes.
15-year-old.
The 15-year-old tennis girl.
How do you pronounce it?
Let me see it. Let me see the word.
Genius. I know. I know you gotta look at it and then you gotta...
Coco Gauff. Looks like Gauff. We'll go with Gauff.
Well, why don't I trust you this time around? I don't trust. But anyway, she was the first 15-year-old to win ELO, to qualify. Wait. Wild card into qualifying youngest ever player at
Wimbledon.
It sounds like Harry Potter, like a place from Harry Potter.
It is in England. Harry Potter is in England.
Really?
Yes. Subconsciously.
Anyway, and then, so you remember I said I'm going to bring to you guys things that I see on Twitter that I found interesting and what's on. So I came across this tweet from Uspe Sihle 93 Sihle. So he said, passed my board exams, first time qualified, moved out of home, and now I just picked up my dream car, and all this happened in the space of 7 months. Thank you, God. Shout out to you. Congratulations. We are happy for you, and do the most. Carry on doing the most. And we have Helen _Matiba. She says, stop complaining about fake friends. Umdala magic. Go to work, hustle, stay at home, watch TV, read a book, moisturize your skin. You'll never hear rumors that the fridge and the microwave were gossiping about you. I actually think this is very true, and this is how people should actually live because, well, you can't go around complaining about fake friends. So stay at home, guys, read books, and do your thing. And, and I know someone that's going to agree with this. And I low-key don't like this person for agreeing with this. So this person says, I can't believe you people eat chicken feet on purpose.
I love them chicken feet, man.
Bruh.
Every time they make them at work, bro. Yeah, bro, you kind of like use those nails, bro, to like scratch your tongue, you know, get all the juices in there, you know. I like that shit, bro. It's like the authentic African cuisine, bro.
Jeez, good golly, I love chicken feet.
Chicken feet is dope, bro. It's the little meat, you know, just getting your teeth in the little spaces where the meat is. It's amazing.
CeeLo, I think you and I are going somewhere now.
This is why we do the show.
We get along. This is not the first time we agreeing on something. Like, we're going somewhere with this. I like where this is going. someone on studio is just like giving us those fingers like this is how they look. But anyways, yeah, wathanda my chicken feet so kubeka futhi siwadle. And then so AKA tweeted, a woman can say I don't date short guys, but if a man says he don't like fat girls, it's a big
I don't like
problem.
fat girls.
Now, how the fuck does that work? You don't like fat girls.
Have you ever seen me look at this dude and be like,
Well, I mean, everyone is entitled to what they like.
I know, and like, nah, bro, I'm like, that is unhealthy. You're gonna pass that on to my kids if I accidentally score. And you can. Do you know that you pass on those genes to your kid as you're just getting fat?
See, you're making me sick.
I'm just saying. It's better in old age.
I mean, it sounds wrong though when guys say it sounds wrong when guys actually say it though.
It's fine after you've had 3 kids. That means you're no longer like gonna be recreating and we don't need your DNA anymore.
Oh, so when are you thinking about your kids?
Yes, why aren't you thinking about your kids? Do you want your kids to have some diseases because like your partner has been eating McDonald's all his life?
But that's not genetic though.
It is genetic.
It's not.
We don't even understand the genetics that we understand today.
It's
not a small
genetic.
pigeon.
You know why? You know why I say this? Because if someone is eating McDonald's on a daily basis and they big because of those reasons, it's not genetic. It's something they did to themselves.
Do you understand evolution?
Yes.
Exactly. Every copy, every generation evolves with new information from the old generation. So if this generation eats a lot of food and gets fat, then you're making that a progressive thing in the genes. So you're passing it on to your kids, your unhealthiness, your cancer.
But
you know you can get cancer from your grandmother, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but same thing.
Cancer
adding
is different.
You're adding to the DNA gene.
But cancer is different.
That's why we need designer babies.
Jeez. Hey, boy,
have you heard about the designer babies?
No.
We'll talk about
when
it.
in technology, I ain't gay. Anyway, moving on. Ukwesta is saying he's ending his club gig career this July. Interesting.
I think it's a bad move. It gets cold. But I mean, unless he's gigging internationally and like that's the only thing I see. But I mean, damn, it's money though.
He probably has a plan. Yeah, and I also think it's because he's now married. So,
man, you gotta. Geez, I don't know these women.
What do you mean these women?
I mean, if you were dating a rapper, say you were dating a rapper and you married them, would you make them stop? Would you make them stop?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Because you're being selfish. Yeah. I think if it's the wife thing, I think it's a selfish thing.
In a way,
it's very selfish.
It is selfish in a way.
Because
but at the same time, no, hear me out. At the same time, it's just like in the club, obviously, there are like a whole lot of that's. And they are sitting in that table that...
Angiti, we have the ring. We have the union of marriage.
Rappers don't even put rings, though. They don't.
Because it's bad for the image. But I mean...
What? Excuse me. Yeah, well, that's my chat. That's another thing. Like, if you're going to take off your ring, like, can we just agree, Uguti? Okay, baby, I'm not going to wear my ring because it's bad image. But I need to say yes. If I say no, nigga, you better put that shit on 24/7, 365.
See, that's why I love technology. We're going to have like Wi-Fi ring. So, baby, it's on. It's the chip. Gotta get a chip ring. You can check I'm married. Just scan me.
Nah, bruh. I don't know. I mean, it's something to look into. Anyway, moving right along. Remember we spoke about Robin Morale?
We did speak about Marawa.
Yes. He now launched his own TV channel on YouTube. A sports channel.
Move.
Very smart because they
like
are going to
sponsor.
sponsor.
You've got your own podcast.
Yes, honey.
Yeah, I mean, it's taking away. He's being played by the big players, SABC and now he's not going to have a salary, and I think he's big enough to speak to sponsors and stuff on his own. So he
doesn't even need to speak to sponsors. Sponsors are going to go to him.
Jump on. He's going to be a big brand, bro. Like, he's already a big brand. So he's just moving digital. It's what Jeremy Clarkson from Top Gear, after he got kicked out from BBC for punching a producer for not giving them food.
Wow, he's a damn person.
He went on to Amazon, and they got paid to do like a similar show on Amazon.
Robert Marawa, on his first show, he had 1.5 subscribers.
Yeah.
Imagine, first show.
Yeah, we got 4.
Why did you say that?
We're growing too. We're growing the brand to be Marawa size.
Well, we'll get there. We'll get there. So make sure you subscribe. Anyway,
you still got your American viewers. There's 106.
Oh, you said, shoot. Yes, sis. I'm so happy. 106. Shout out to Kellen because I know he's the one that did it. A friend of mine from the US. I know he's the one that did it. But anyway, and he does PR. So, last tweet is that Telkom recently changed their More Nice data. And people are like out here going crazy. Some people are mad. Some people are angry. Happy about it. So it says, Telkom are like those people who treat you good until you get married and they start showing you their true colors. So my true colors, I was revealing because wow, some of these things cost like a whole lot. So there's 700 MBs for 31 Rand 50 for 7 days. That's expensive. And there's 5 gigs for 65 Rand for 14 days. Like, it differs if you've been a customer for a very long time and you knew. So, yeah, man, that is what's happening on our Twitter streets. Quite interesting. Keep posting, guys. You guys keep me entertained.
Did you see the Sizwe thing? Wait, before we go. Sizwe Jomo versus Vusi Tembogwayo.
I saw it, and I think it's very lame.
Funny. It was funny, though.
I think it's lame.
He released a press statement.
Who? Vusi. Yes.
That is lame. Why did he do that?
Vusi he's a businessman.
What? I asked, why did he release the press statement after deleting an Instagram post? Imagine I delete an Instagram post and write a press statement.
He's got money, bro. He can do whatever. Rich people can do whatever.
Let there not be an excuse.
But that is the excuse.
Imagine now you're at the bank. Okay, no, bank is a bad example. You're at a hot dog stand, like from Pilo Lifestyle. And if Bill Gates comes and
wazomthanda bompilo ungasho kanje ukuthi hot dog stand uziyabeshe ukuthi Pilo's life sifuna lawo ba hot dog ke Pilo lapha mnandini bruh back in the groove days
showcase and then Bill Gates comes and passes you in line just because he's rich.
However,
yeah, supply and demand. Shout out to Pilo.
Imani, no, I just heard that Pilo's hot dogs are now 50 Rand.
Because it's good.
It is good.
Exactly, especially when you're
hot dog, Isilo.
No, Minnie, it makes namayo 10 Rand.
It makes namayo 30 Rand.
Yeah, manje. You 10 Rand.
You can go 5 Rand. Mina ngazama hot dog ampilo 20 Rand or 25 Rand between the two. Get them in July.
They're organic.
100 Rand.
They're organic. They're organic sausages.
Ay.
Organic onions.
No.
Organic tomato sauce.
Pilo was stopping so we don't like it for real.
Seasoned hot dogs.
No, bruh. But he's doing his business and he's doing quite well. He even changed his packaging because it's now written Pilo's Lifestyle with a smile.
Exactly.
He's trying, but he could do better because damn, Daniel, we are paying an arm and a leg. Twan Gezulu, si coca. What's
what is
it?
Si chela sazo.
Si la mazambani kapondo.
Let's go home.
Anyway, Monday Mayhem continues right here on www.radiodr.co.za.
ngaphendula sale sa kawuyeka uthetha wenze kabumnyango awesingene sayeka uthetha senza ngoba Jesus linga oh 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 Jesus linga asifa sinegani tisa sinega ay asifa kota aibo Jesus linga asifa sinegani tisa sinega ay asifa kota aibo ngaphendula sale sa kawuyeka uthetha wenze kawunyango awesingene sayeka uthetha senza Destructive boys, skilla get love again. Skilla get sight, sashribe. Skilla get dance mush, set the bus. Bafuma batsaga, piri aruka. Skilla get love again. Skilla get sight, sashribe. Skilla get dance mush, set the bus. Bafuma batsaga. Asifa sinegani tisa sinega ay asifa kota aibo Jesus linga asifa sinegani tisa sinega ay asifa kota aibo.
E wena yo snack. Ntse ke le shebile le go ya di scam. Le tsetse tshele magale na nix. Le nna gana le tla fella kae, Hey, what's up? Anna, gale ba re ba torfet. Are ba bone ba kae. Bane ba re ba itsoset. Are ba bone ba kae. Wana rena mo LinkedIn. Are ba bone ba kae. All I see is me and my checks. Are ba bone ba kae. Gale ba re ba torfet. Are ba bone ba kae. Bane ba re ba itsoset. Are ba bone ba kae. Wana rena mo LinkedIn. Are ba bone ba kae. All I see is me and my checks. Are ba bone ba kae. I do it for my best friend mama. I do it for my best friend Khala. To the bullshit riditsala. I cannot stress no drama. I keep mo dilong kay tata. Wana mo dilong bay plata. I really dilong bay pata. I cannot di tongue clap. I'm a lady looking all proper. Look at all the gigs I'm popping. Everybody already talking. I ain't gonna change no topic. Soon as I drop, they bought it. Bitches all talking, boring, yawning. When do y'all work, to be honest? Ayy, cause I stack racks, I get paid all the time. I back chat, I don't waste any time. That talk, you look very alive. Swipe, 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 I don't ever decline. Swipe, 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 it'll never decline. Look at that belt on my waist when I whine. Take it away, call me and they beg me to sign. Got a sissy boy deal, I would never decline. Para watwa sa maribona, orata stratwa mona. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Abakalohan kay bona. Look at my whip, it's foreign. Look at my nigga, he foreign. Look at that beach, it's foreign. Back a location, bona. Khale baraba to the fits. Araba boni bakai. Pane baraba itu sets. Araba boni bakai. Wanarna morlingte. Araba boni bakai. All I see is me and my checks. Araba boni bakai. Khale baraba to the fits. Araba boni bakai. Pane baraba itu sets. Araba boni bakai. Wanarna morlingte. Araba boni bakai. All I see is me and my checks. Look, I don't want beef, I want competition. I just want to see if you really with it. How many bags did you really get it? How many of them got a Louis V in? How many of them out here getting seizures since as soon as they see us in Peruvians? I would rather fight for all these millions, and we might all end up with every million. Drop one record and your niggas turn to bitches. Now they wanna have a conversation about the lyrics. I don't ever listen cause I'm all about the business. All about the bitches, I don't worry about the critics. Ask any ex, he ain't tell you any different. I would rather jet if you think about tripping. I'm from Bosch on a worldwide mission. My impulse got every little girl winning. Yes, yes. I broke the ceiling, ain't got any limits. Don't wanna sign you, I want my own children. Bitch, my dream was to rap and now you get to live it. Tell all the haters I'm in it to win it. Ain't nobody quitting, now shut up and listen. Khale baraba to the fits. Araba boni bakai. Pane baraba itu sets. Araba boni bakai. Wanarna morlingte. Araba boni bakai. All I see is me and my checks. Araba boni bakai. Khale baraba to the fits. Araba boni bakai. Pane baraba itu sets. Araba boni bakai. Wanarna morlingte. Araba boni bakai. All I see is me and my checks. Araba boni bakai. Anna.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Minnie Thusi, and you are tuned into radiodr.co.za.
Yeah, I pray, night and day. I come my day. Okay, okay. I'm blessed. She love the taste. I got my cake. Okay, okay. Tea like a boss. Said I'm a star. Feeling the ride. Fresh out the bar. I got a sauce. Yeah, I got a sauce. Get up taste. Change the game. She like juice, she like dude, she got taste. Sipping on something from out of the country we can't even name. I done no wrong, we had our problems, threw it away. She back in the frame, you gotta get
Yo, Story, go tell them all I got the recipe. If you tryna make it, then I got the recipe. They calling me spicy and all of my melodies, I got the recipe. All up in the kitchen, cause I got the recipe. I know what they want, cause I got telepathy up in the recipe. I walk in the room and they feeling my energy. Hey, they killing the cells, they trying to get rid of me. Hey, I would advise they try to be friends with me. All of you chickens is catching the scratches, is trying to be enemies. All of my verses are eulogies. Every script finna cause a scene, like Ferguson filming a new release. There ain't a thing you could do to me. Bank account got high notes, like tell a man when you hear a beat. Second letter, let him let a beat. I wanna make money. In the bands, keep it zing a wing. You left out with your little things. Cause today I'm rocking Louis V. On my wedding day, I'll get a Vera Wang. I was sick, they said I need a rest. Cause killing the game was killing me. Hey, killing the game was killing me. I came back for the bag with no sympathy. I told you my raps was KFC. I should be feeding your family. Rolling with Bash in a classy V. Smashing a record with Stogie T. My mom and my family proud of me.
Said I'm a star, feeling the ride, fresh out the bar. I got a sauce, yeah, I got a sauce. Get up taste, change the game. Yeah, I pray, night and day. I come my cake, okay, okay. Yeah, I pray, night and day. I count my cake. Okay. I'm blessed. She love the taste. I count my cake. Okay. Say grace and gave plates to every one of my namesakes. Slice cake so many ways. The uptake is no dead weight. Break bread, fresh baked. A-game, Andre Testegen. I wanna change names, got paid, cause the game ain't changing. I'm not tastemaker, that made bacon. That red make rap great. Y'all just take, cut and paste. Flaky as a puff pastry way. We was in bad shape, well-fed. All we knew was the crumbs. Now we in bad shape, well-fed. Look at us now. Said I'm a star, feeling a ride, fresh out the box. I got a song, I got a song. Get a taste, change the game. Yeah, I pray, night and day. I count my cake. Okay. I'm blessed. She love the taste. I count my cake. Okay. Yeah, I pray, night and day. I count my cake. Okay. I'm blessed. She love the taste. I count my cake. Okay.
And we are back. And I still don't know what I wanted to say.
I don't know, 4,000. Sing said let no 2,000.
I used to hate that song.
That's what you wanted to say.
No, I wanted to say something about 2 rands.
I don't know, 2 rands.
But it's also, you can also say something like Ishisi Paget or something like that.
Model C, yeah.
Whatever.
Embrace your Model C like I have.
No, Brangas is like
just listen to this English. Hello.
You remember the last time we had a show, Uguti, my tongue was not cooperating. But look at me now. Can you hear?
It was obviously, it was the flu coming on.
It was what?
It was the flu coming on.
Clearly it was.
Look at
me right now. My skin is popping. It is popping. But anyway, we are about to talk about the cool things that have been happening the past weekend. We just came back from the Durban July. First of all, I'd like to say to the people that are not from KZN, go back home.
That gang is stuck hotel. They've been kicked out. They're outside the hotel gate, and then they just like, we don't have money to get to the airport.
Stranded.
We don't.
We happy. Especially Johannesburg people, they never want to go back home. They probably want to go back home on Wednesday. Y'all must go back home. We don't need you here. Hambanyoko's traffic. HEP.
Yeah, driving through the city on Friday, it was just like, why is it so stuffy in town?
And
yes, abahambe.
Bye.
Thank you for your money. Go home now. How? Kabanga nje leyo. Utshwala, nihambela utshwala ngoba niwathanda amahashi, nihambela utshwala.
And I don't think anyone understands amahashi actually.
Amahashi ukidiku.
What?
Kodwa DJ ade bewashaya kamahashi sesathe nje manje. Angiyanga kodwa ngizwini.
Yini amahashi?
It's when they play 2 songs and it sounds like the beat sounds like horse.
I've never heard that. Clearly, Durban DJs are good. Shout out, DJ Stanky. What's up, friend? I was Stanky. Oh, come on, that guy. He should be. I don't know. He should be something great.
He's short but amazing. Shout out Stanky.
That's a whole father. So respect. Put some respect on that. But anyway, actually, you know what else didn't make me like super happy about the VDJ? Actually, about turn-ups during this time. Yo, I scattered my piano for at least 4 months. Yeah, but yes.
So
piano. That's the whole time. Yeah, we tired.
I was singing this other song the other day, the whole day. What is it?
Silo, we can't hear you. Can you speak into your mic? Thank you very much.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
How sexy does my voice sound? Hello. I even forgot what I was saying.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. But anyway, I think we just rounded everything up because we can't really say specific parties. We know something was happening at Rich Durban, Azad.
Mother of all parties.
Pop bottles. There was a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys were safe. And I think people are going to be broke from now onwards. But now we know that December's close because we are done with the July.
December, July.
Yeah.
December. So we know December's going to be infiltrated with Amapiano.
No, I highly doubt it. We cannot allow that. J.E. needs to come back. Yeah, what am I going to say? Let me not say it. Anyway, it has been a great show right here on Monday Mayhem. What your girl Minnie Thusi. I really, really, really enjoyed y'all's guys' company. My tongue is about to do it again, but the devil is a liar. Anyway, we shall see you next week. Same time, same place. It is your girl Minnie Thusi. It's been real.
Boom.
Friendship, I want some bread. I'll never be broke long as I got my head. When I say bad little dot, I'm talking about the 10. When I say C-Wagon, pull off, I'm talking about the Benz. I want Ferrari right now. Benz right now. Chicken wings right now. Bling, bling right now. Fuck. A new friendship, I want some bread. I'll never be broke long as I got my head. When I say bad little dot, I'm talking about the 10. When I say C-Wagon, pull off, I'm talking about the Benz.
Female range, guarantee she get in. Lead with the gang, I got weed in my veins. My bling through the dance, bling through the dance. I'm bees in the trap, but we keep for the stage. Right now, ooh yeah, it's on top of the coupe. Give me top of the coupe. Sucky.
Sloppy toppy in a Rari, she won't make me beg.
Don't touch my dreads, you heard what?
Say Ferrari right now. Benz right now. Chicken wings right now. Bling, bling right now. Fuck. New friendship, I want some bread. I'll never be broke long as I got my head. When I say bad little dot, I'm talking about the 10. When I say C-Wagon, pull off, I'm talking about the Benz.
Smoking cheese, shit ain't cheap. Who is she? Make it bleed. Playing mean, I'm a polite. Please, just for free. Big chopper, 2 to 3, it's on me. Where he's at, pop, then we leave. He was just talking that last week. Put his on the ground, I hear a dream. Batman, Wagwan, Black Club, get shut up. Shotgun, you don't know. Rasta, you don't know. Mama, you don't know. Shut up. Rockstar, you don't know. Road boy, you don't know.
I want Ferrari right now. Benz right now. Chicken wings right now. Bling, bling right now. Fuck. A new friendship, I want some bread. I'll never be broke long as I got my head. When I say bad little dot, I'm talking about the 10. When I say C-Wagon, pull off, I'm talking about the Benz.
Oh yeah, that's gon' clap like I just made a speech. Chairman Nasty told me we gon' make this money, I told him preach. Tryna reach, tell him can suck this. But I been lit like big, looking like I hit a lick. Little mama, she a freak. Relationship, I want some head. Things got missed here, she squirt on my bed. It had to be said. Little we start winning when we dead. Give me a beat, tell I was born for this. You and your girl on my tell them to get off my my ego big, it don't feed. Don't that gang with too deep. That talk is cheap. We got a black Khalid.
I want Ferrari right now. Benz right now.
Oh yeah.
right now. Big, yeah. Bling, bling right now. Fuck. A new friendship, I want some bread. I'll never be broke long as I got my head. When I say bad little thought, I'm talking about the 10. When I say C-Wagon, pull off, I'm talking about the Benz.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Minnie Thusi, and you are tuned into radiodr.co.za.